Hello, and welcome to this WireStar Networks video learning series presentation. Today, we're going to arm you with the knowledge you need to fully understand the capabilities of the WireStar services offered at your property. We'll also cover what you should expect when using our Wi-Fi services and what to do if you need support relating to anything and everything Wi-Fi. We're excited to have you with us. Let's get started. Your property is equipped with a managed Wi-Fi network. This means that the installation and operation of the Wi-Fi system has been designed to account for the entire property, not just a single dwelling. In most cases, each dwelling at the property contains its own Wi-Fi access point, working in concert with all other access points nearby to deliver a property-wide experience. This commonly includes outdoor Wi-Fi access points in exterior amenity spaces and additional indoor access points for common areas like clubrooms, fitness centers, lounges, and study areas. Unlike traditional internet services that only offer Wi-Fi range near your unit, our design allows for seamless connections to the internet, regardless of where devices are physically located at the property. The Wi-Fi access points are connected to high-speed fiber optic cables responsible for delivering your traffic to and from the internet. These fiber optic cables are located within various communications closets situated throughout the property. The robust fiber optic network allows WireStar to deliver more bandwidth to end users to support all types of internet usage. With some basic knowledge about managed Wi-Fi under your belt, let's shift gears for a moment and talk about what you should expect when using WireStar's services. Our residents enjoy instant access to Wi-Fi services. No technician appointment is necessary to register and gain access to the network after WireStar has completed our initial implementation. You'll enjoy the ability to use Wi-Fi services anywhere on the property that has Wi-Fi coverage. Additionally, you should expect to be able to use our Wi-Fi system to run common applications like VPN, voice over IP, gaming, working from home, 4K video streaming, and much more. If your property is equipped with hardline Ethernet access, you'll enjoy the ability to plug in devices directly to a port for internet access. In some properties, this may be a port located on a wall within the room. At others, it could be a port on the bottom of our wall-mounted access points. In some cases, the property opted to bypass Ethernet access entirely based on unique factors that can't be covered in today's video. If you are unsure about if hardline access is available at your property, reach out to your leasing representatives or contact WireStar for assistance. For more information about how to access hardline connections, head over to the WireStar Video Learning website and check out the Ethernet registration video. Next, there is no equipment for you to purchase when you first access the Wi-Fi network. All equipment has been purchased by your property to supply internet to your unit. You'll never need to disconnect or return any equipment to WireStar if you move out of the property. Simply leave the managed Wi-Fi equipment behind, and we'll take care of the rest. Lastly, our managed Wi-Fi systems are backed by 100% US-based support teams eager and ready to assist you in the event of any troubles. WireStar will never outsource your support needs overseas, and we strive to support each resident with a customer experience that shines above our competition. Our support teams are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. If calling during standard business hours, support cases can often be escalated to advanced network technicians that can assess and implement corrective action within a short time frame. In a managed Wi-Fi network, it's not uncommon to have several hundred or even several thousand devices connected at the same time. If your experience using the managed Wi-Fi doesn't meet these expectations, there is a high likelihood that our support team can identify and resolve variables that may be impacting your connection. We'll cover a few common things that can cause service issues momentarily. Next, we'll briefly cover how your traffic is handled and touch on the security features of the managed Wi-Fi network. Each device connected to the WireStar.net secure network remains within what is called a personal area network. When a user registers to use the Wi-Fi system for the first time, our servers provision a new personal area network and create a unique VLAN just for devices under that registration. While you may only see one secure network being displayed at your property, this does not mean that your devices are visible to other users of the network. The process of registration is covered extensively on the WireStar Video Learning website. Check out the video titled Wi-Fi Registration Demo for step-by-step instructions on how to register. For each registration to the network, a unique password is issued, tied to an isolated personal area network in our system. Only devices that use the same password can access the personal area network associated with the password. A typical unit has only one registration, and all devices within that unit share a password. Residents in other units use their own unique password to connect to their own isolated personal area networks. By implementing personal area networks, WireStar is able to keep your devices safe and secure on the network, while limiting the number of Wi-Fi names being displayed at the property to eliminate confusion. Your personal area network moves with your devices throughout the property and is available anywhere you are within range of one of our access points. This benefit allows your devices to communicate with each other, even if they are in totally different areas of the property. Ever thought about printing an assignment or work document to the printer on your desk while you're sipping a cold drink on the pool deck? We've got you covered. From instant access to your own personal area network across the entire property, to no equipment to buy or return, and fiber-backed speeds, there is a lot to love about managed Wi-Fi systems. WireStar invests a considerable amount of time and research into making your experience with our service stand a class above other providers. Pulling off such an extensive challenge is no easy business, though. Cabling, networking, and Wi-Fi are all complicated topics. A major variable that can impact how your network connection performs is the quality of work performed by the contractors that installed the cabling at the property when it was built. In some cases, WireStar is responsible for this part of construction, but in many cases, we've only inherited the cabling that was provided to us by others. While we won't cover that topic here, it's important to understand that some variables that impact performance, like cabling problems, interference, or unauthorized routers plugged into our network, can all lead to service quality issues or disruptions that WireStar cannot fully control. For useful information about Wi-Fi in general and specific knowledge on variables that can negatively impact performance, we highly recommend heading over to the Video Learning website and checking out our learning series video about Wi-Fi performance. While we understand it's frustrating to experience performance issues, in most cases, understanding why they might be occurring can be the difference between tearing your hair out and a productive resolution with our support team. Having some basic knowledge about the system will come in handy to help you describe the symptoms you're experiencing if you need to contact us for support. As Bill Gates once said, the advance of technology is based on making it fit in so that you don't really even notice it, so it's part of everyday life. If you don't really have to put too much thought into your Wi-Fi connection after watching these videos and getting registered to use the system, it's a good indication that WireStar is working quietly behind the scenes to keep it that way. And if that isn't the case, well, we want to hear your feedback so we can help make it right. We hope that this informational video was helpful for you to learn about how the Wi-Fi system at your property operates and all the great benefits that come along with it. Your leasing team has also been armed with knowledge on how to best answer questions about Wi-Fi and can help facilitate communication to WireStar if needed. As always, we are here to assist should you need any support or have more technical questions about the operation or security of our network. Reach us by visiting wirestar.net/contact, emailing support@wirestar.net, or call us at 1-888-999-1525. Until we meet again, happy browsing, and we thank you for being part of the WireStar family.